Chi Sau, because this is where we're going to start to stick. So I am going to start to try and stick like this, and I'm going to try and manoeuvre Steve. And we're going to be trying to do these drills where we're trying to do this. Before that, we can work on just a simple push-pull drill. So we get to this position, I have big Sau, hook Sau, bong Sau, pound Sau, and I push this hand and pull with this one. And Steve does the opposite, and we sit. And again, this is a great example of internal work because we could just be doing this, but there's a difference when we do this. You can't see it, or you can feel it. Or this side, or this side. So we can then go back quiet again. Because again, if we're going like this every time, it's different. So then we can just test, keeping the forearms relaxed. Keeping the forearms relaxed is really important. Learning to strike without pulling the arm back. Just learning to strike from there is really important. But another one is never pulling this arm back, like this. Okay? So if Steve does pull that arm back, I obviously feel it. So if he wants me to move, he keeps this there and he turns. And then he has the same effect, except I fall into him rather than actually chasing him. So that's another really big habit. All those things should have been drilled out in Cinta. There's loads of places to practice it. Wu Sau coming back is a classic one. So practice that one, a few rolls, stop and sit. But don't pull back, don't push forward, just sit and sit. You're trying to get your elbow locked into its Gau Bei Ga position. Yeah? That should come quite easily. Once you've done that, marry it with going forwards and backwards and try and bully each other. There's one way to win this game. Breaking your partner's Gau Bei Ga, squishing it up, or pulling it out, or breaking the structure this way or this way. That's how we win the game. Don't get any points for striking. If I'm doing this, I come under that completely. So that's what we do. We can try. Notice we're not moving into moving and positioning. Hopefully, if you do this correctly, without tensing up and trying to push things out of the way, it doesn't ache. It should be nice and. The difference is now you're moving body weight, your own body weight and your partner's body weight. So, pair up again, right? You go away, go set, and just try and manipulate each other with the waist and the stepping. But don't do it all with this, just this. If you need to move someone, turn them. If you need to move them more, step. If you need to absorb something, step back or shift. But don't do it with your arms because you'll get very sore very quickly. All right? Cool.